what I got here is, I've explained this in previous videos, but it's just an old GI style rucksack. I carry a good variety of shit in here, but mostly what I carry with me when I'm out in the woods is a little pouch like this, and what I'll have in here is usually my fire starting stuff, some paracord, okay, some matches. Here's all my fire starting things. I have some more survival shit in here. I have lighters, I've got some UV blankets, shit like that. Just old survival shit. And I like to organize my shit pretty well. I have no idea where I got these. I just had them sitting around, so I just organize stuff by little crates like this. So here's that. I'm gonna try to keep my stuff dry because it is soaked up here. Hopefully that's. And then my second thing I always have with me is my rifle cleaning kit. There is a fuck ton of stuff in here. Just oil, bore brush, stuff like that. This is just gun cleaning things. Pretty simple. Oh yeah, and then for sleeping, if I'm out here for a night or so, I believe this is a 10 degree, oh, it's a 30 degree, so I have a 30 degree sleeping bag. I left my bivvy at home, but I also have the Poncho that doubles as a tarp, so I use that to make shelter pretty much. I wish I brought my bivvy to show you, but that's the main two sleeping things I have, is literally just a tarp slash poncho and then a sleeping bag. That usually gets the job done. If I'm going to be out here a little longer, I'll bring more, but for the most part I'll just be carrying that on me. And this little pouch up here, this is more first aid stuff. I have an actual first aid kit. I've kitted this out with my own shit. I have tourniquets, all kinds of shit in here. Something a little different I don't really see people carrying around with them in their kits is flares. These are super handy. They're super helpful. If you lose your lighters and shit like that, you can use this to start a fire. Use this for emergency signaling, shit like that. But yeah, that's like the one unique thing I don't really see people carrying is shit like this. And then here, just notes, shit like that. I have lighters literally stored everywhere. I have a lighter in here as well. I have a lighter on me. I have lighters in my actual like dedicated fire kit. I have lighters scattered everywhere in my pack. Just go to like Walmart or something and buy like a 10-pack of lighters, and then you'll never need another lighter again. Or just switch over to ferro rod. And on both sides, I have a canteen pouch. Both sides. I'll usually carry 2 to 4 canteens on me. But I didn't have a lot of room in my pack today, so I just put 2 in there. And then on the sides of both of these, I usually have water purification or tea. Yes, here's my water purification, and then on the other one, yeah, I got tea in this one. Oh yeah, let's kind of go to food. So for food, all of my food supplies is on this side over here, okay? I have gloves on there right now. I have spare gloves as well. What is this? Oh yeah, this is a hand warmer, so that's a battery bank. So most of my electrical equipment will be double bagged, and I'll have cables, battery banks, like solar chargers, shit like that. What the fuck? Okay. Here's some tinder at home. Just cut up cardboard. It's actually a cut up Coke case. So just some tinder, utensils, a little foldable canteen cup. I use this for boiling on my tea and shit like that. And then more tea. This actually isn't tea. It's a mix of everything. I have some like energy drink stuff in here. I have like coffee, tea, just shit like that. And that goes at the bottom. And then I put this in the middle to kind of fill the pouch out a little more. Stick utensils up straight, and then put my fire starting and that into the canteen, and top it off with the gloves. And that's what's in this pouch here. And then this pouch, it always has something different. Everything, I should say, they have, it's always in that spot no matter what. But this kind of rotates out. So usually I have MREs in here, but today I have all my filming equipment for my GoPro. I have spare batteries. I have spare battery from Weapon Light, spare GoPro batteries, cables, mounts, whatever the fuck this is. Shit. But yeah, just filming equipment in here. And then hand warmers. And that's actually all I got in there. But usually I'll have like an MRE in here. I'll have spare ammo in here. Maybe hats and gloves when it's really cold, but for right now, just those two. And then over here, I usually have a lot more in here, but I have an actual fixed blade bushcrafting knife. I love this thing. I have no idea who made this leather holster for me, but it's pretty solid. I have no idea who made this, but it was pretty cool. What I usually have in here is I'll have tinder, I'll have tinder, I'll have matches. The cool thing you can do is you can put water purification tablets in like a McDonald's straw or something like that, and then snip it and burn off the sides, and you got a waterproof container for some water purification tablets. Jesus. But this is just fire starting shit, kindling, and all of that. I have an actual ferro rod. Geese are mad. And then just a fixed blade. Nothing crazy. I don't usually ever carry this, but I probably should carry it more. I have a folding saw. This is a very shitty one. Just a shitty old folding saw. You usually can get away with putting an axe or a hatchet of some type in your kit, but I don't. Oh wait, yeah, exactly. Here we go. Well, this one's like 3 years old, but literally all you do is just take a fucking straw and then put your water purification shit in there. This one is obviously fucking old and destroyed. It got contaminated somehow. But it's pretty much just this. It's a pretty cool concept. Whenever you're ready to actually use them, just bag it open and dump them in, you're good to go. That's kind of crazy that was in there. I thought I used all these. Then I have some spare bootlaces. And that's it. So not a whole lot. I mean, like I'll carry, I don't know. That's usually all like the knives and shit I usually carry. Like I'll have maybe a hatchet in here. My buddy straps an entire fucking axe to the side of his rucksack. You can do that. Having an axe in your kit is always very useful and necessary. But for what I'm doing, I don't need it. I don't really need an entire fucking axe. It's starting to get a little cold out here. More wet and rainy. That's generally it. Oh yeah, up here. So up here, I have some face paint, a little flashlight, more lighters. I have little sharpening fucking things for sharpening my knives back up because they get dull after a little bit. Lighter. I have a lighter basically everywhere in this fucking bag. And then over on this pouch, I have the semi-reflective fucking. Remember your fucking shitty PT belt? This thing. It's pretty much just a PT belt. That's all that is. And that's everything I have in my fucking sack. Aside, two more things. So in here, I have notes. This is just Right in the Rain. And here I just have I kind of just have mushrooms that I found around this area, but just shit like that. This is just little doodles and shit, but having a way, a lot of things, also that too, I don't really see a lot of people having a way to write down and retain information with them. Sometimes I do, but usually I don't, and you know how it is, you get busy, you're not going to remember every little thing, so just have a little, it doesn't have to be Right in the Rain, it doesn't have to be fancy, but just have a little something in your kit to write it down and remember something. You can remember some landmark, or remember some area you found some edible mushrooms or something, some forageable, shit like that. It's always good to have a little bit of just paper with you to write down shit. And also, you can also use that for Tinder as well. And also this doubles as an amazing cushion. It's keeping my ass wet, and it's very comfy. And then the last thing, this little pouch up here, I just have these little energy gels. I think I got these at Dick's Sporting Goods. They're like $1 each. It's like marathoner running gel, but it's like 100 calories. It's a little, it's like, what is it? 35 milligrams of caffeine. So just a little something. What? All right. Now the next thing I'll go on to. The one thing I did not leave out, the one thing that I did leave out that I didn't show you in my bag, is I always have my rifle broken down in here with me when I'm going out to the woods. Oh, fuck. So, the main things that I really have on it, so, where do I even start? I don't even know where to fucking start on this shit. I think it'll be on screen what it is. I really forget what it is. It's either a Tango or a Romeo. I forget which one. And then a 1:5 magnifier. I really forget. I should have wrote this down where I bought these from. And then I just have a light on here. Be fine. But there's that. So that's the upper. I also have a mag pole. I don't know the name of it. It's the forward grip. I don't really use it as like an actual forward grip. I pretty much just use it as a hand stop. When people do this, that's not comfortable for me. So I like to just have a high forward grip. Okay, can reach my light fine. This light isn't that bad, but I don't know. And then it's all right. And then the lower, the reason that a lot of things are slipping my mind is because I started building this like 2020. I've had parts for this that's been on and off here, going on and off since 2020. So I'm not really familiar with what I have on here at the moment, but this is my main little rifle. You can obviously I rattle canned it. And that's pretty much it. This is my rifle that I have with me. Okay, so you can obviously see that I rattle can my PMX. It's an Armored Republic's Fortalis, I think. This one doesn't have the cummerbund. I need to get that cummerbund because this dinky strap thing sucks. But yeah, sun's about to set here. Damn, I'm gonna be stuck out here in the dark again, but I got a good bit. I got about 3 miles to trudge back home through all this fucking freezing cold, wet woods. I also have some gloves. Oh yeah, gloves. And yeah, so I just have some shitty old, these are super old. I've had these for multiple years. They've got holes in them, they got paint in them, but just some old mechanics gloves. I have no idea what type they are. It just says mechanics wear fast fit, so that's as much as I can really tell you about the actual model of them. But so yeah, that's everything I bring out to the woods with me. That was a lot different than what I usually do. Most of the shit I just do is POV, hikes through the woods and shit, or you'll see me fucking chilling by a fire or something. But today I wanted to actually sit down and talk with you, because it's been I think it's been like 3 months. I think my last video was January 3rd. So I've been extremely busy. Yeah, I've been extremely busy, to the point where I cannot come out to the woods and make a video. I probably could have made some other shitty video, but actually making content I like to make, coming out here to the woods, filming for you, taking my rifle out with me, I genuinely could not do it. I was that busy. So I'll try to upload a little more frequently for you. These next 2 months are gonna be hell. I'm probably gonna have 1 day a week to actually, like, I technically could film, but all of April and May is gonna be very busy for me. I've got a lot of things coming up for me in life right now, so I have to really fucking get at it and grind. So I'm not gonna have all the free time, but I'll definitely try to shoot a video for you, update you on some shit. I might. Now we'll get there when we get there. So yeah, but I'll keep you updated. You might see a video twice a month, maybe. That's a lot. That's a big, like, very generous offer, but maybe once or twice a month you might get a video, sadly, because I'm just that busy, which sucks, because I genuinely do love being out here in these woods and just filming and rucking around, fucking LARPing with my fucking shit gun. So I do love it, and I do have a huge passion for making videos for you guys, but it's gonna be busy, so I guess I should communicate that to you. But that's really all I had for you, so thank you for watching to the end. If you have, like, any recommendations, or fucking say, hey, that fucking sucks, you should check out this, give me any suggestions, they're all welcome. Fucking call me a retard, I will accept anything you fucking say. So that's all I really have for you. So not gonna fucking balance there.